Hello, welcome to the Vehicle Space Optimization software. In this example, we will explain how to analyze the fill sequence of a given route. The first step is to log in, and then we will look for a list of routes from the date, selecting a date. In this case, it will be July 1st. We pick the date, start date, end date will be the same. Click on search, and it loads the routes for that date. Here we see a list of routes that have already been calculated, and some of them have been saved. So we see that the ones that have been saved are the blue ones, and the ones that had just been calculated are the green ones. We will select one route. In this case, it's this one. It has the name of a person that used it. And we see here to the right, we see the route contents. These are the products that it has. You can see that there are a large variety of products, and the amounts go from 50 down to 1 of different SKU. We also see the product package or primary class and the secondary class. Okay. That's the route content section. In the truck fill section, we see that the truck has been filled, so we see the amount of products per bay. And the bottom section is called the fill sequence, and this is the one that we want to explain. Here we see that it has different columns, and they're numbered from 1 onward. And this is the order in which the bays were filled. We see that the first bay that was filled was a 2B, the type of pallet, as here in the column, and it says the pattern is saved. That means that it's a standard pallet. Standard pallet, if we look it up, are the pallets that have one type of product, and that product has been assigned as an amount for that pallet. Those standard pallets do not pass by the picking section. The second pallet is also a standard pallet. If we wanted to look it up, you can see that this SKU 30 and this SKU 64561, we can look them up to see that the amounts are the right ones. So here, for instance, the pallet is called tall, or the bay is called tall. We can go to the warehouse, 64561. We will look for that SKU, 64561. We will look up the standard pallets, and we will see that for the tall pallet, it has an amount of 42 cases, 42 boxes. So when it was filling, it did that. It saw that there were 42 boxes of this SKU, and that it was working with a tall pallet or tall bay, and it put them all together. So these first two pallets, the 2B and the 12B, do not go through picking. Okay. Now we have another type of saved pallet, which is a standard pallet by class. We see that here, okay? This is for the 3B and the 5B and the 1B and the 6B. You can see that these pallets have different types of products in them. The 3B has this product, and has this product. It has 3 types of products on a pallet that adds up to 8 plus 7. That would be 15 plus 21. That adds to 36 for a transfer. Okay, 36 just like this one, just like this SKU, because we saw that the packaging class B1 and B, and these products have the same dimension. So these 3 products are loaded in the same way as this first product because they have the same package in the same class and they have the same dimension. If we wanted to look it up, we have the 30 and the 67907. We see that the 30 is the same dimension. But if we just wanted to look it up, we go to the warehouse and we see that 30, product 30, and product 67907, we search them, we see that they both have the same package or same primary class and secondary class, and they both have exactly the same dimensions. Why? Because they're just, in this case, they're beer, but different flavors. It's just the same package, same dimension, same weight, same everything, and just the different flavor of beer. So they can be stacked together in a standard pallet. Okay, that has a total one, but in this case, a standard pallet with 3 different products. We see that this repeats for the 5B, the 1B, 6B, 11B, 4B, 15B. up to 15B. And then from then on, we ran out of standard pallets, or we ran out of standard configurations, and we work with mixed pallets. Okay? In this case, we can see they're mixed because they have different products, but they don't add up to anything special until the end. Okay, so that's more or less an explanation of the sequence in which the pallets were calculated and filled. We have a standard pallet with only one type of product, and we have standard pallets that combine different products, and then we have mixed pallets that combine different products. Thank you.